I'm Jason, the world is yours, and today we have a video on how to live stream iOS mobile games on YouTube using the StreamChamp app. As you can see, we currently have the StreamChamp app open and Chrome open. We'll come to Chrome later on. If you want to go to settings, you hit the three buttons. Resolution 1080p, obviously you don't want to change that. And notifications, I normally stream with no notifications on. Any notifications I would normally enter on my PC or my laptop, but you can turn notifications on if you want to. As you can see, this video is currently streaming in portrait mode, but you can live stream on StreamChamp in landscape mode. I currently have screen lock on, but if you want to stream in landscape, you can stream in landscape. When you stream in portrait mode, this is important. Those purple blocks are empty. They're basically purple blocks. Your video, when streaming, would only show the portrait. So you want to add images if you stream on portrait mode. If you stream in landscape, it is a full stream video, so you don't have to worry about this if you stream in landscape, if you're playing Call of Duty, Grand Theft Auto. But if I'm playing, My Perfect Hotel, Mario Kart, Dragon Ball Legends, when I play those games and I live stream, I do add images, a screenshot of the main page of the video, and I add those images in these purple blocks. So I go to images and I add there, but that's only for portrait mode. Obviously later on you could add thumbnails and stuff like that, but if you're streaming in portrait mode, you have screen lock on and you want to add images in the background. If you're streaming in landscape mode, you don't have to worry about that process. You can just move on to the next step. And as you can see, there's active broadcast, which I don't have anything going on. The scheduled broadcast, which I think I have a few going on. And then I'm going to have create broadcast. So it's a pretty simple process, right? You start from the main page. You go to portrait if you want to add images. If not, if you just want to go straight to streaming, you just hit the stream button. You go to create broadcast, right? It's a very, very simple process. I could call this video, let's just call this video YouTube live stream, right? Call that YouTube live stream, YouTube live stream, right? Now, obviously you want to, this is just example. Whatever your title is your title. Whatever your description is your description. That's what you want to put in there. I'm just using this as an example just of how to live stream. Privacy, obviously on YouTube, you can have a public video, unlisted video, of a private video. Obviously your video should be public, right? A delay, I don't know if it's offered delays. I don't know. It says there's 10-second delays. Okay, so you can get 10-second delays. I didn't even know that. 30-second delays, 60-second delays. If you want to add a delay to your broadcast, that's not a terrible idea. And then, like I said, once again, you can go to the thumbnail right here. If you're streaming in landscape mode and you don't want the video game to be the image of whatever you're live streaming, if you want to throw in a thumbnail here, you could throw in a thumbnail for portrait, or for landscape, you could throw in thumbnails. I normally throw in thumbnails after the video has been uploaded and is processed, and then I go back and edit all of that, but I don't really focus too heavily on the thumbnail during the live stream. It's really not that big of a deal. So then you just hit create, and now you see it doesn't create the broadcast right now. I just want to mention that it's very important. You can hit create. It kind of creates a scheduled broadcast. So that's what's going on there. Now you have to press the button to start broadcast. So I'm not going to do that. Obviously, I'm going to go to Chrome. I'm going to show you that it is, it shows. We're going to reload it. Now this is, because YouTube, even though it's 2024, YouTube still does not allow you to live stream mobile games directly from the app like Twitch. And you could do all those settings on the Twitch app, but on YouTube you still have to go to like a third-party app. And now you can see upcoming YouTube live stream. Obviously, if you're gonna live stream your phone, that's what you would do. But if it's a video game, I would go to the video game. I would go to Mario Kart and open the game like that. But this is very good because this is where you have to go in, obviously, and change all of your settings, right, for YouTube, right? You can see it. The broadcast is going to be live, right? So you turn monetization on for YouTube. It says focus on your live stream, and you let YouTube insert ads for you. You turn that on, right? Okay, we turn all that on. Now we probably want to go back. You want to go in the monetization, and you see balance. I normally leave them on balance. Sometimes it's a good idea if you're doing a live stream, at least for me sometimes, if you have a balance, right? You don't want to have aggressive because it'd be too many ads showing up. But if you do want to troll and you want to make the most money you can make, and you have a lot of people in your live stream and you want to troll, then I would suggest throwing in, changing it to aggressive, right? Because then you're going to get the most money you can make. But if you have like 1 or 2 or 3 viewers in your live stream, just keep it on balance. You don't want to have, shoo away the viewers that you do have, right? So I'll almost always keep it on balance and let YouTube do it like that. But this is where you can go in YouTube and change all the settings for your upcoming live stream on the StreamChamp app, right? This is where you go and change all the settings. YouTube has a lot of settings that you have to change before you put an app up. Before you put a live stream on. So that's pretty cool. I really do like that part about StreamChamp, is that, you could put in the title, the description, and then you could hit create broadcast. It doesn't create the broadcast then, and then go into the YouTube app on Chrome, change all the settings that you have to change. Because like I said, even, maybe 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you'll be able to just directly live stream from YouTube app, but we still don't have that option. A few years ago, there was a very, very, very great app called Omelet Arcade. It was basically like Twitch, but you could live stream on Omelet Arcade. You would be able to live stream on YouTube also, but they shut that app down a few years ago, and we haven't had really, really good live streaming apps from the app store, like an Omelet Arcade. But yeah, that's basically the process. It's a process that could take like 10 seconds. It really doesn't take a lot of time, but you do want to do the entire process, right? Because when you do live stream on YouTube, like I said, there are a lot of settings that you want to change before you hit the go live button. So I would recommend creating a broadcast, taking 5 minutes, 5 minutes, hit all the settings in YouTube, and then come back here and hit create broadcast. But yeah, let me know any questions you have. I know there's many apps to live stream on YouTube, but this is the one I use. And like I said, I've always used Omelet Arcade before this, but since Omelet Arcade shut down, this is the app I've been using, the StreamChamp app in the iOS app store since then. I don't know if this is available in Android, but I know you could stream iOS, or you could stream mobile games on YouTube using the StreamChamp app from the App Store. But let me know if you have any questions about this video. I am Jason. The world is yours. Today we had a video on how to live stream iOS mobile games on YouTube using the StreamChamp app in 2024. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button, and please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.